So hello there, welcome to this initial level of the course where you would be seeing all the type of the environment setups and all you will be needed in order to execute your Python code. So here I would suggest there is a PyCharm, uh, which is you can go here, and in order to download it you need to search here PyCharm, then click on download PyCharm, this one. There are two versions. One is a community version, which is for the pure Python development. So it is definitely free. So you can download that. Or another is a professional edition, which is for the scientific work if you want to uh, get into deep about it. Like it provides some easy integration with the different types of Python frameworks like Django and Flask. So currently we don't need this one. You can start with this if you want. And another is you can start with Visual Studio Code. It is also a lightweight editor. So what why I am suggesting you to download this according to yourself, because it's an environment that provides the software tools and all the things for the developers. So basically, it should be developer friendly. So where you are basically familiar with it, so use that editor. Okay, so if you want to download Visual Studio Code, simply search Visual Studio Code here in the Google, then click on download. I already have downloaded the Visual Studio Code as well as PyCharm earlier. So if you are using Windows, you can download it here. And please download the latest version, because many of the people face issues when they are performing some operations if the version is not upgraded. So download the latest version of it. If you're using Mac, so you could download this one. This one is for Mac, and this is for our Windows. And another is you like using Ubuntu or Debian, so you can use this one. Now third one will be our Atom, I would suggest. So simply go to this, click on Atom, this one, and simply download it. This one, I think Atom is very lightweight and small in size. So you can simply, this is the interface of it, the simple interface. You can see all the files here at a side, and code will go here. Okay, and you need to run it by command prompt to be very easier, so you can check that out. Next one is Jupyter Notebook, which I currently won't suggest it, because we are doing for coding, so not suggested. Okay, and recommended also. Okay, next Eclipse, PyDev, and this. Please currently don't use that. Okay, so I would suggest ultimately you can install the versions like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text would be fine, and Atom. Vim, if you are comfortable with it, so you can use Vim also. Okay, so another thing is if you want or don't want to download any of the editor, so what are the best alternatives to it? Okay, to compile your code, because we will be coding in the Python language. Okay, Python 3. So this one would be good. That was onlinegdb.com. You can get the Python compiler here. Okay, simple interface is there. This is the run button. Okay, and below that we'll get a terminal here. Once we click on run, so our code executes. So this I type the code here. So we get the output below here. Okay, so this is also good. Can use this. And another one is like this. This interface is also amazing, really amazing. So what you get here is like you can write your code aside, and this side you will get the output of that code. Okay, so code on this side. Okay, and here you will get the output. It's simply output here and code here. So this is really a good interface. And simply there is a top on the run button is there, on which you can click and run. You can see the output here. So these were the Python IDs which you must use. Another thing is here you need to create a LeetCode account of yourself, because some questions would be definitely on LeetCode. So we need to solve it from there only. Okay, it is better. And some questions we will solve here in the ID itself. So yeah, thank you for watching this initial things. Now we will start with the further things. Thank you and see you in the next video.